Every baby is born with unique abilities and talents, and spotting signs of intelligence early helps parents support their growth. Here are some signs that indicate your baby might be exceptionally intelligent. A baby who stays alert and focused on their surroundings may show early signs of intelligence. If they often look around, stare at objects, and notice details, it could mean they have advanced thinking skills. Some babies seem deep in thought as they observe their environment. If your baby remembers familiar people or routines, it may show advanced thinking. A baby who quickly connects sounds with people or actions shows strong brain skills. Early communication is another indicator of intelligence. If your baby makes sounds, faces, and gestures to communicate, it shows they want to express themselves. Curiosity and exploration are strong signs of an intelligent baby. If your little one is always trying to reach for objects, grab things, or examine their surroundings, it shows their natural desire to learn. Curious babies enjoy new experiences and get excited by new toys, sounds, and textures. Some babies display an early understanding of emotions. If your baby reacts to your emotions, such as smiling when you smile or looking sad when you seem upset, they may have an advanced sense of empathy. Babies who connect with the emotions of those around them tend to develop strong social and emotional intelligence as they grow. Problem-solving skills can also indicate intelligence. If your baby quickly figures out how to manipulate toys, remove obstacles, or reach for things beyond their grasp, they may have an advanced ability to think critically. Some babies even show frustration when they cannot solve a problem, indicating a strong drive to understand and overcome challenges. A longer attention span can be a sign of intelligence. While most babies get distracted easily, some can focus on activities for a long time. If your baby spends a lot of time watching, playing, or exploring a toy or book, they may have strong focus and thinking skills. Creative play can be a sign of intelligence. If your baby uses a block as a phone or a spoon as a drumstick, it shows imagination and problem-solving skills. This kind of play means your baby can think in new and creative ways. Some intelligent babies also develop physical skills earlier than expected. While every baby develops at their own pace, some may sit, crawl, or even walk ahead of schedule. Advanced motor skills often show strong brain development. When a baby learns to control their body well, it reflects how their brain is working and growing. Recognizing these signs can help you support your baby's growth and development.